I had these braided bamboo baskets lying around in the house, which I decided to use as planters. The crisscross braids looks very attractive and will definitely complement the plants. I made few drainage holes for the water to go out after I plant. I picked few plants which grows very easily with stem cuttings. The first choice was turtle vine. I have experimented in the past and have seen these turtle vines grow very easily with stems. They look very bushy and grow really fast. The second choice was Swedish ivy, also known as Coleus prostratus, if my pronunciation is right. The third plant that I picked was Pothos, or very commonly known as money plants. I took good number of cuttings from this plant as well. They are very easy to grow. And I took from the variegated section as well. And when I mix and match this entire thing, it will look really beautiful in my bamboo baskets. To hang the bamboo baskets, I tied it with a rope on two corners. I used a nylon rope here. Which are very tough to break. I use my standard soil mix of red soil, sand, coco peat and vermicompost. They help boost the plant to grow really fast. I started placing them one by one, making sure good amount of space between each cuttings and making sure that they hang well in the basket. Then I started planting the Swedish ivy. It was so difficult for me to sort it out because the cuttings were entangled with each other, and if I become too harsh, then there are chances of breaking them. So that took away a lot of time for me to plant these. But I managed somehow. I took few bunch of it and then I started placing them. Because the number of cuttings that I took, it was too many to do one by one. So for the turtle vine, which was similar to Swedish ivy, beforehand I separated them in bunches and kept it ready so that when I plant them, it's easy for me to pick each bunch and place them in the basket. They already look very bushy and nice. I sprinkle little water on the soil and on the plant and also on the basket. Pouring water would make the soil come out of the basket because the support is little less, and that's why I started sprinkling water. It will keep the soil moist and help the plant to grow fast. It was a little experiment that I did with these bamboo baskets, and I believe it turned out well. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, happy gardening and keep planting.